Hello po sa atin lahat. I hope that you are all safe and sound, and we pray that this pandemic will begin soon so that our lives will be back to normal. So this time I will show you guys the different job hirings found for Australia. So I'll just show you quickly. So I'm here in POEA website, so I'll just show you so that you will know that all these are legit jobs. So country Australia updated March 4, but sorry guys, maybe POE also is being locked down because it's already more than 1 month that they are not been updated. Usually they are just been late 10 to 15 days in updating, but now it's really 1 month, more than 1 month. So country Australia. So as you can see, there are lots of positions offered here, and with the agency offering Caves, Bison, VFG, Cirrus, Quality, Multi-Orient Manpower, IPAMS, SGS, LP Universal Manpower, Caves, lots 4 Caves, HMO International, Profile Overseas Manpower, Caves, Quality Manpower Services, Bison, Icon Solutions also offering, so Uniplan, Overseas Employment Incorporation. So the date, as you can see here, and job orders. Alright, so let's start. So I will be talking of cabinet maker, dairy farm technicians, draftsman, carpenters, painters, CNC machinist job. By the way guys, I've been to Australia 1 time, and I'm so really grateful because I really enjoyed. I've been to Brisbane, Gold Coast, Perth, Western Australia, and so nice, so love it. So let's start. Building painters, painting trades workers. Qualifications. So additional information, please have time to read. And yes guys, because I know that it's locked down, but so that I am showing you all this so that you have time to submit all your resume, your application, so that whenever it's open, then your names will be included for the interview. And for the English speaking countries like New Zealand, Australia, UK, Canada, US, they need IELTS certificates or international English language test. Okay, so qualifications. So there are 50, so there are in need of 50 applicants for this job. Another is carpenters. Qualifications. So additional information. And so there are also 50 vacancies for this job. So these are all offered by, I will show you guys later, and how you submit. So qualifications, additional information. So there are 50 vacancies for this job. Carpenters, foreman, carpenters. Qualifications, so additional information. So there are 100 vacancies for this job, while they are really in need. Actually, Australia is in need of more workers than New Zealand. So CNC machinist, programmers. Qualifications, additional information, please take time to read. So there are 50 vacancies for this job. Finishing carpenters. Qualifications, so additional information. Also 50 vacancies for this job. So these are all, these carpenters for the CNC machinist I'm showing you is offered by SGS Human Resources Corporation Agency. So this is how you apply. So please download their application form. So go to this website and download the application form and fill it up. After filling it up, So also if you go for walk-in, but for sure it's not yet this time, so you need all these requirements, documents. So these are their contact numbers for additional details. So these are their email address. Apply at sdshumanresources.com, or your application, you should submit your application at june@sdshumanresources.com or mj@sgshumanresources.com. So SGS also is in need of auto spray painter. So qualifications, additional information. So there are 50 vacancies for this job. So these are all offered by SGS Human Resources Corporation. So I will go to other agency which are offering. Okay, so cabinet maker, furniture carpenter, offered by LV Universal Manpower Services Incorporation. So qualifications. So there are 10 vacancies for this job. Another is draftsman. So same, offered by LV Universal Manpower Services Incorporation. Qualifications. So the requirements, and 5 vacancies. Dairy farm technicians. Sorry guys, because this LV Universal Manpower Services Incorporation didn't include their contact numbers or their email address. Maybe you can find their Facebook account and you can inquire there. So another is dairy farm technician, offered by Uniplan Overseas Manpower Incorporation. So qualifications, additional information. Candidate must be a graduate of Bachelor's of Science in Agriculture. So if you are interested, send resume to Uniplan. So uniplan.pbau@gmail.com. This one, or contact their numbers. You can send SMS or call their numbers. So 10 vacancies for this job. Okay, so that's all. I hope that I give you some tips for the job hirings, and don't forget to subscribe so that every time I'm uploading new job hirings, then you will be notified. Thank you for your time watching. This is Julie again saying bye bye.